to make passive income with Airbnb in 2025? Whether you're looking to start with zero money or scale up a short-term rental business, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how. Stay tuned because I'll be sharing insider tips to how to maximize your profits, automate your listings, and start earning passive income without even owning property. Oh, and stick around until the end because I've got my Toasty tip of the day, the best way to start an Airbnb business without buying a house. Let's dive in. Okay, step 1, choose your Airbnb business model. There are 2 main ways to make passive income with Airbnb. Buy a home and rent it on Airbnb. That's the best for long-term wealth. Or co-hosting, managing other people's property and earn a percentage without owning anything. Pro tip, if you don't have any money to buy a house, co-hosting is the fastest way to start. But my Toasty tip of the day will show you the best method. Okay, step number 2, finding the best location and property. Your location makes or breaks your Airbnb success. Here's how to pick a profitable market. Research demand. Use AirDNA and Market Minder to see average occupancy for rates and pricing. City versus vacation rentals. Urban Airbnbs have year-round demand, while vacation homes make seasonal profits. Property type matters. 1-bedroom apartments work great in cities, and houses are perfect for group stays. Pro tip, check local Airbnb regulations before you invest. Step 3, now let's optimize your listing for maximum visibility and bookings. Number 1, professional photos. Listings with great photos get 40% more bookings. Compelling title and description. Use keywords like luxury stay, cozy retreat, or prime location. Competitive pricing. Start lower to attract reviews, then increase the rates over time. Another pro tip, enable instant book to rank higher in Airbnb's algorithm. Step number 4, automate your Airbnb for passive income. To truly make passive income, you need to automate your Airbnb business. And here's how. Automate guest messaging. Use tools like Hospitable to auto-reply to guests. Smart locks and self-check-in. No more handing over keys. Use keypads and locks. And lastly, hire a cleaning crew. Set up an Airbnb cleaning team with turnover scheduling. Pro tip, use dynamic pricing tools like Price Labs or Wheelhouse to automatically adjust rates based on demand. Step number 5, scale up and maximize your profits. Once your first Airbnb is running smoothly, here's how to scale up your business. Use Airbnb profits to rent or buy more units. Invest back into your business. Partner with property owners. Offer to co-host for landlords and make 20 to 30% commissions on earnings. Offer upsells and experiences. Provide airport pickups, local tours, or meal delivery for extra income. Pro tip, diversify your listing on VRBO and Booking.com to increase your bookings. It's that time, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for that Toasty tip of the day I promised you. Toasty! Take out your pen and pad and write this down. The ultimate Airbnb hack for 2025 is rental arbitrage through corporate leasing. Here's why it's a game changer. Corporate leasing means renting apartments as a business rather than a personal tenant. Landlords prefer corporate leases because they get consistent, reliable payments. Using this method will open the doors for more properties available. Pro tip, approach property managers with a business proposal. Explain how you maintain the unit, screen the guests, and ensure that they get their rent on time. This is exactly how I built my Airbnb business with no properties of my own. Don't believe me? Here's one listing. There's another listing. I am living proof that this system works. And if you are in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, click the B&B link in the description to book either Cozy Cove or Shady Sanctuary. Cozy Cove is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. Shady Sanctuary is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. My units are only 5 minutes away from UNC Hospital. So I get a lot of students, a lot of travelers, a lot of professionals, a lot of doctors, nurses, traveling nurses in particular. But yes, you can do this too. Now, I will be honest with you. These units are fully furnished. So you will need a little bit of money up front, like $3,000 to $5,000. But there's a way around that as well. Most furniture places have a finance option. The one that I've dealt with, they give you 0% financing if you pay it off within 90 days. Now, if you invest in your business like you're supposed to, the bookings are going to come in. Let your profits pay off the debt. And that's essentially what it is. The ultimate goal is to at least double or triple what you pay in rent. That easily pays for the rent, utilities, cable bill, anything you have to pay for monthly. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to making passive income with Airbnb in 2025. Which Airbnb model are you starting with? Drop a comment below. I talk to everyone. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on new real estate investing and passive income strategies. I also have a gift for you. Do you want a free Airbnb checklist? If so, the link is in the description. You're welcome. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and share with your mom and them. See you next week.